Dad, you're live on camera right now. Everyone could hear you on the vlog.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Happy Christmas, Harry!
Listen.
Candy cane grams!
Candy cane girl.
Merry Christmas!
Happy Christmas, Ron.
Yay!
Happy Christmas, Harrys! So you guys, it is Christmas morning right now. Who can believe it's Christmas morning?
I can't even believe it's Christmas, and I can't even believe next weekend is New Year's. Like, what? Where'd the year go?
Yeah, what are we doing for New Year's? What are you guys doing for New Year's?
You
Let
guys
us
can we come
know.
over?
But before we get into New Year's, let's finish Christmas, people, because you know, this is the first year I think of our entire lives. I'm not even kidding.
No, I think when we were young, like young, we'd open presents in the morning, like when Santa came. But once I hit like 5 or 6, that didn't happen anymore. You know.
No, we would always open our presents Christmas Eve because we would always convince our parents, and they were like, "We're not trying to get up early, so like you could do it anyway."
Totally.
But you know what? I was like, let's be different this year. Let's wake up in the morning and do our presents. We only have a couple that we gave each other because we're actually moving tomorrow.
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 Our house is in shambles right now.
Yeah, I'll show you guys a little bit of that like after we do the presents and stuff, and then in a little bit we're gonna actually head over to Dominic's mom's house, which is my boyfriend if you guys don't know. And then we're gonna open presents there and hang out and do dinner and stuff, and then we're gonna come back here and hang out and have Christmas night
tomorrow. Wow.
and then move and then finish packing, and like it's crazy. So we've got the tree lit, got all of the presents going and the stockings. Santa brought those, I don't know when. It must have been early. Must have been like 6 because I think I heard those bells ringing and I was like, what is that? And it was those, I think. Alrighty, are we ready to open presents? So let's just like, we're gonna disperse them out a little bit. This one is for you. I know this one is for me. I think this is yours.
What's in here?
That's hers.
Oh, this is yours.
This is mine, of course. I always get the most. And this is empty, but it's from Bronze Bunny, so it's cute.
Vino.
Vino! Who's that from?
This is from Cassidy and Kiefer. They got us some other stuff too. They got us crystals and a few other little things. But wine.
Wine!
Yeah.
I love wine.
I love wine.
So this is my first one that I'm opening. Cute freaking packaging, by the way. Oh! No!
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Look what I got! It's like a heating neck wrap. It heats up, you guys, and it smells like eucalyptus. It smells freaking bomb. What did you get?
I love this. This is my favorite brand of pomade. What else do they got in there? Construction paste.
Candy cane grams.
Candy cane grams. And conditioner.
Who's that from?
Yeah.
Guys!
I have no idea.
Oh, okay,
my whole life for this.
Your turn. What is it?
KK fragrance, y'all. This is the Crystal Gardenia Citrus, and literally I've wanted this ever since I knew it existed. So beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
It's
Dead!
so
Kim
beautiful.
Kardashian.
Thanks, Kim, for sending this.
All right, so my next present, again, cute packaging her off. I think I know what this is because it's a matching booty! So these are like the little matching, like heating up foot booties because my feet get so sore, and so does like my neck and my back. So these smell like eucalyptus too. These are like the best invention ever. I have a feeling actually that these are gonna be stolen from me quite a bit. So
they're very chic.
Watch out, people. Okay, who's next? Candy cane grams.
Candy cane grams.
Candy cane grams.
What'd you get?
Face stuff.
Do you like
face kit?
Do you
love
like it?
Face kit.
I love this.
Clinique
this is my
Man.
favorite. This is my favorite one.
I got this for him, you guys, because he always steals our skincare, so it's like Clinique Men's. Okay, I have no idea. This is like the first present that I genuinely have no idea what it is. This one's from Dominic to me, so look at how beautiful the packaging is too.
Keep it
Straight.
straight.
Trying to be straight?
She's like, what is this?
What is this? Okay, let's see, you guys. Oh my gosh! I really wasn't expecting this!
More crystals!
Oh
you guys want to ever give us anything,
Jordan.
give us crystals.
Ah! This is a box set of like a crystal chakra kit that I asked for, and he was like, you played it off so well. He was like, that's dumb. I'm not going to get that for you.
Rose
oh my gosh! Sage! We can sage our new home!
I have to take
Oh my gosh!
This is
Thank
everything.
you, babe. babe.
That's great.
That was like the best present we've ever gotten.
What?
Oh my god.
They're like
So do you like them?
I love
really
them.
like them?
I love them.
What did you get us?
Calvin's.
Calvin.
I knew you got these.
Calvin.
Calvino.
I don't think I took the price off anything though, so sorry. Anyways, my next present is in this beautiful box from the dollar store.
Dollar
people.
Store has the hook up. You
This is from you, right? What is this?
Yeah.
What?
Oh my gosh.
What is it? Oh no!
Yeah.
You guys, they are coasters, like crystal coasters
With
gold.
gold. Crystal coasters.
We need to get a bar cart.
You're the best. So let's do this one. This one is like the chicest marble box I've ever seen in my entire freaking life. Also from Dominic, of course. He's like the most chic present wrapper.
Chica.
Besides us, of course.
Chica.
What is this? Okay. Come on. What the fuck? How is this contrapted in there?
Oh my.
Whoa, you guys.
That is on another level.
You guys, this is a crystal.
Look, we gotta keep this. This
Plant.
is like serious instruction.
Can you see this, you guys?
So cool.
Oh my gosh, you're the best.
That is literally so
Thank
cool.
you.
What is this?
I already opened my.
I think they're gift cards because they feel like gift cards, but I don't know where they're to.
What is
I
this thingy?
so need a screen
Oh,
protector.
it's like
A nose peeler
pour
offer?
face mask.
Candy cane
I'll
grams.
use all your.
Candy cane grams.
Oh my god, I got
I
a
was
Bath
like,
and Body
what is
Works
this
gift
thing on
card
it?
for $20.
Fuzzy socks.
Do you want to go through
Get a
your stocking? The first Gossip Girl.
What?
Yeah, I thought like you love reading.
I love
you
reading.
love Gossip Girl.
I love Gossip
Ooh.
Girl.
You know,
Hey people.
I love
socks.
gift cards.
Oh my god,
I got
that's
you
so
work
funny.
socks.
It's Serena's
No.
I got
wear.
Santa. Santa got you work socks.
Santa got you work socks.
Ross gift card. Home
Sour
decor.
These are fire,
What
honestly.
is this?
Oh my gosh, enjoy $20 to Ross. I will enjoy this. My home will enjoy this.
Shower gels and
Those actually smell so good.
Perfume.
Really?
Yeah, Marc
Okay.
Jacobs little
Marc.
rollerball perfume maybe for your purse.
shave gel.
Tootsie Rolls. I love Tootsie
I know.
Rolls.
Slim Jim.
Slim Jim.
He loves Slim Jim.
Oh my god, I can't even tell you how much I need.
Yes, right? Nail files.
Yes.
Okay, so in my last little present right here, this is like the last real
Yes.
thing that's like,
This is cute.
Ooh, eye mask.
yeah,
Oh,
you
that
put
is
it in
awesome.
the freezer, like if you ever have your headaches. So I got a body scrub, people. Like this is the
Oh my
best
god,
body
I got
scrub
one too,
ever,
but I already opened it and put it
I know.
away.
I like put mine on the tree because I was like,
Ooh,
I want you guys
these
to
are
see.
the best flavor.
And I got some essential oils.
Yay!
You might not like realize why I got these yet, but when we go open presents at his mom's house, you'll understand why I got these.
You're not supposed to know
These are
that.
also from you, but like these smell really good, you guys. So
Okay, what
hit
is
up Bed
this?
Bath and Beyond.
Last guy. Oh, I know what these are.
I don't know if you're gonna like them or not, but
Yeah, of course I'm gonna like them. I need slippers.
so this is technically the last present that me and Jordan have, except for the PR package. So I don't really know if it's technically a present. But we'll open it because why
Candy cane
not?
gram.
It's a candy cane gram.
Candy cane grams.
He got some slippers because he's
I
always complaining
love
about my
slippers.
slippers. Like he's jealous of them. So I finally decided
sorry.
like I'm gonna
It's
get
all
you slippers.
Oh, that's fantastic.
A whole skincare
Holy
kit, you guys. If you guys don't know, we actually put a whole entire skincare kit just like this in our Christmas giveaway. So if you guys want to win this entire skincare set, play. Alrighty guys, so for our huge Christmas giveaway, we decided to do a bigger like skincare set situation.
Yes.
So I'm gonna quickly run down and show you guys what we got for the giveaway. So we have this entire skincare set. It's
Yeah,
from-
because we got two of them, so we're giving one to you guys.
so this is from Your Good Skin. There's like a scrub, a face wash, a serum, a lotion, the whole skincare kit.
Yes.
And then we also are throwing in the Homedics silicone facial cleansing brush.
bomb, you guys.
You guys, like this is iconic.
We're throwing in a Brooklyn Botany Wonder Oil. We love this stuff. It's good
It's a
for
wonder.
so many things.
You can use it for anything. You guys,
Literally,
seriously
it's fantastic.
everything. And then we're also going to be throwing in the Mystic Tan in a Confidence tanning kit. It's like a self-tanning lotion. It comes with a mitt. And
it's really great too.
It's great, you guys. It's phenomenal. Favorites. We actually have a video on this that we've done on our channel before. And then we're throwing in a body scrub from Mr. Bean. This is a coffee body scrub that works freaking phenomenally.
Yeah, it's perfect to use before you get your tan on. And then we're also giving away this Dew Light by Homedic. It's basically laser hair removal, like a, I guess not laser, what would you call it? A permanent hair remover situation. So this is bomb. So if you guys want to win all of this stuff, go to our Instagram, enter yourselves, and we'll get because in the next couple of days.
The post should be up by now by the time that you guys are watching this video. So go enter to win. We're probably going to pick in the next few days or so. We'll let you guys know. Totally. We'll DM you. So that was our Christmas haul.
Yay! That was so much fun.
Happy Christmas, everyone. Happy Christmas, Harrys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to the both of you for my beautiful, wonderful presents. Thank you, Santa. Thank you to you guys for supporting us, for following us, for watching our videos.
And get ready, you guys, because we are moving tomorrow. The vlogs do not stop here. Vlogmas may stop, but we are going to continue vlogging the whole move-in,
the whole
everything. We're like on our game now, you guys. We're back. We're
back, and you guys are going to be so excited when you see our new place and our home decor.
Excited.
Dead, you guys. So I am so excited for the new year and just for everything else. So yeah, thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video, and let us know what you guys got for Christmas.
You guys, because we got a lot coming. So,
yeah,
and let us know what you guys want to see more of, because like we're interested in your opinion.
And what do you guys get for Christmas? Because I always want to know if you guys made a video or if you like did anything like that. Like, let us know. We'll go watch it because we love watching yo videos, people. That's it for this last Vlogmas, you guys. Vlogmas has been so great. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Next year for sure.
Next year for sure. We're probably gonna do a lot more. But yeah, thank you so much for watching our Vlogmases. Let us know if you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in our next vlog, people.
Bye.
Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. 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 Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron.